Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode 247 of the Trading Talk series. In this week's episode, I'll be continuing on from my previous Trading Talk by explaining some of the functions that I have built and adding one extra block to help take profits. With seats filling up fast, now is the best time to book your ticket to the 2022 Algo Trading Conference. This year we feature renowned hedge fund founder Christina Chi, whose fund traded up to $7.1 billion per day. Christina will be presenting one of the systems that she has created for her fund. Combine this with a portfolio-based equities day trading strategy from Nick Raj and 4 very different strategies from Johan Lotter, including a machine learning strategy built inside XBuilder. That's pretty cool. Attendees for this year's conference are in for 6+ models to learn and take home on the day. What an event. Make sure you take advantage of the opportunity to learn from 3 of the world's best and contact us today to get your ticket for this year's conference. If you're not already a client and you'd like to watch episode 247 in full and create the model, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button at the top left of this page or in the YouTube description. I hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.